Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Christie Wang from Vista Robotics. Today, there is no automatic robotic solution for spine surgeries. Our competitors, including Medtronic, they are only navigation robots, but not surgical robots. In particular, in discectomy, which is to remove the tissues from the disc, it's 100% done manually by the surgeon. We are the first and the only automated robotic solution to facilitate the surgeons to complete parts of the surgeries. Instead of 30 to 40 minutes, we get that down to 3 minutes. Instead of 60 different passes manually by the surgeon, we get that down to one single pass with a 40% more disc fragment removal and much higher safety level, as well as much less surgeon fatigue. So let's see a little video.
Discectomy and end plate preparation tool has multiple cutters to clean out the nucleus and cartilages end plate at the same time. It is also designed for safety, side cutting only, so that the tip will not damage the annular tissue. Under computer control, the end effector is guided into the surgical tube and down to the intended surgical site. The Spine Nova discectomy and end plate preparation end effector will self-navigate throughout the interbody region, removing both nucleus and intended cartilage's end plate from the surgical site. The unique design simultaneously performs nucleus removal and cartilage's end plate removal.
And here we also got the steering mechanism automatically as well. So this is our robotic system, and we got so far 3 granted founding patents issued, and we're also filing another 6 this year. So these are some of the pictures that you can see. On the left are the end effectors, the tools. On the right is the robotic system. These are the implants and the software. So we have very strong clinical validation. The first generation device was already FDA cleared and was used by more than 20,000 patients. Business model is capital sales plus recurring revenue, with a recurring revenue of 74% in year 3 and the gross profit margin of over 70%. Instead of $2 million Medtronic selling, we're selling only $500,000 as capital sales. Our clinical advisors, these are the people who are our, not only the strong supporters, but our first customers as well. And our go-to-market strategy, we have already signed 5 distributors in the United States. So we have stellar team, and we got collectively more than 100 years in medtech, as well as a number of very successful exits. So we're raising $10 million in Series A to get 2 FDA clearances, and then get minimum sales of $3 million. And so far, we already got 1 million sales by now. And we also got existing investors from Medtronic, from NVIDIA, as well as the PE, medical PE from on Wall Street as well. Our potential exit is between 2028 and 2029. Thank you very much.
Judges, any question?
Yeah, is this product already FDA cleared?
Some of the implants are FDA cleared already, like these. These are FDA cleared already. The
revenue you mentioned is from the FDA cleared product?
Yeah, the FDA clear. These are the FDA clear product, and these 2, the one on the left bottom is going to be FDA cleared in approximately Q1 or Q2 next year, and the one on the right, the surgical robotic system, is expected to be FDA cleared by Q4 next year.
Thank you.
Christie, enjoyed the presentation. Question: what do you mean when you say that your exit is in 2028, 29? What does that even mean?
Okay, so this means that because what I didn't mention is out of these advisors, actually most of them are Medtronic surgeons. Okay, so they actually led us to Medtronic early discussion already. So we can expect that after our FDA clearance and after a little sales, Medtronic or J&J, they may give us an exit term sheet, including the initial investment, as well as the distribution, and then the final acquisition plan. So that is between that period. Of course, we don't have to choose that. If we choose, another route and we get profitable and we get more penetration, and we can go IPO as well after that. Yeah.
How are you currently planning to sell? Like, with the limited FDA approval, are doctors able to use this in surgery? How is your $1 million
Yeah, okay, that's an excellent question. The $1 million is actually coming from a kind of a development plan, a development sales contract with one of the largest medical companies from Malaysia. So the sales revenue is actually 1.5 million altogether, and we are realizing 1 million this year. So it's not based upon FDA cleared products at this point.